welcome back to Tracy Lifestyle Thursdays. And today, obviously, we're uploading a little bit late because I had a long day. Tomorrow's my dad's birthday, so I did a little bit of shopping for him. And y'all know I can't go shopping without going for myself. And of course, I gotta shop for my baby too. But I thought it'd be kind of fun, you know, to do something quick because I was gonna do a whole hair tutorial, you know. But I don't know, I'm still waiting for it to super fade out before I put the blondes in, you know, so it'll be easier and I'll have to like burn the fuck out of my hair. So today we're gonna do unboxing. BOXY time. Do you guys have it? Because if you don't, it's a good investment, honestly, because you get like 5 full-size makeup like items, and pretty cool. I mean, I get Ipsy too, and that's only like 10 bucks and 80 cents a month, you know, and this is like 25 something, but pretty good investment. Literally not open, so what we're gonna do is open it together. Aren't these cute little mini scissors? I think I got them from eBay or Amazon, one of the two, but I always carry them with me everywhere. I used to have a different pair and they're a lot sharper, but I don't know where I put them. Comes in such a cute little box like this, okay. Little padding so you know when makeup doesn't get messed up. Super smart. First thing we have a cute little holographic gloss. Ooh, I have a Tarte one that's like a rainbow gloss too, and I love it. I'm trying to open it. Okay, and I like really like it. Right? Look how this looks. Let's put it on. It feels like a normal lip gloss, but it's like not because like the Tarte one's super like sticky when you go like this. So this one's kind of like, I don't know, it's like I want to keep applying it. Is it cute? I don't really see the glitters too much, but I mean, I'm looking in the camera. That's item number 1. Cute diamond glow powder. Let's open it, see what's inside. I love the little packaging. It's heck cute. It looks like it's like black marble instead of white marble, right? Oh, okay. Okay, so cute, right? Okay. Let's go ahead and open it. Diamond glow powder. I don't know how to open it. So would this be like highlighting powder or would this, no, it looks to me like it's actually highlighting powder, not like, you know. I can't open it. Whenever I use it, I'll show you guys in a tutorial. I'm sorry if that upset you. Okay, so the next one we have is Luxie brushes. A couple of the brushes I've used in my tutorials already are from this brand, so that's pretty cool. And I like how they have like a little bag already. Like, that's cute. It's convenient, you know, you can bring it places with you. Okay, nice. So we have a nice little flat little brush, right? So like, you know, you can use that for that, okay. And then we have a cute, oh, they have names, okay, large shader brush. Okay, and it's like this, right? I like brushes like that. Okay, and then the final brush is a small contouring brush, they call it. I guess you could, I might use it for that, but I like to kind of use it as a foundation brush. a foundation brush first before I use it because I get lazy to clean the brush, so I just use all of it first before I have to clean them. Awesome. Okay, and then next we have a eye pencil. Nice. Okay, so it's like a bronzy eyeliner, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's pretty. It's like I don't know. I like it. It's cool. Okay, and then finally, ooh, a powder palette. Okay, I do have another palette from this and I liked it. I didn't really get the chance to using it because I kind of forgot about it. This one looks really pretty. At first I thought it was Tartiste or something, but it's Port. Very cool too though. These are the names of the colors on the back, by the way. Ooh, and it comes with an eyeshadow primer. Okay. This is a cute palette. It has glasses. I totally wanted to get some last day too, but I went to the mall today. Let me know if you guys want to see a shopping haul. I have gotten 2 requests in person about it, but I don't know if you guys really want to watch that. But if you do, let me know. But anyways, let's see what we got. Oh, nice. I like that. We got some pretty hot pinks, some pretty glitters. You know, big mirror. Ooh, okay. Like, hey. That's so pretty. Look at the 24K Magic one though. Like, goodness sakes, that is so pretty. And this one's pretty too. And that one, oh my gosh. Woo! Excited to try a look with this one. This one we won't forget. But yeah, so that's what we got in our BOXY this month. Well, technically that was last month because now it's May. So I should be getting the next one pretty soon, but I don't know when. But I liked last month's, and I'm totally gonna use that in a tutorial. So stay tuned for that for Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.